Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, or actually it's nighttime, so tonight I'm getting ready to prep my hair for a protective style that I am having installed tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly what I'm going to be using. So I'm just using a couple of staple products that I really like. Nothing too special, and I do have to blow my hair out before I have the style installed, and so I'm going to show you guys that process as well. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is the Truly Unruly conditioner by Raw Sugar, and I really like this brand. I used to use them a whole lot. I'm just sent so many products, like I go through a lot of different hair products, so I haven't used them lately, but I am going back to it tonight. And so this conditioner contains avocado, apple cider vinegar, and rosemary oil. And I really like products, anything with apple cider vinegar, because my scalp is it gets really dry and really itchy. After I apply the conditioner, I am going to actually add some extra apple cider. I have this bottle that I got from Sally's, and so I fill it up a little bit over halfway with apple cider vinegar, and then the rest of the way I fill with water, because you do not want to add apple cider directly to any parts of your body or skin. So yeah, you definitely have to dilute the apple cider with something, preferably water. So yeah, this week has been super busy. I hate that I am starting this video so late. It's almost 9 o'clock, so that's a little late for me. I guess it's not too late. I was supposed to do my hair like 5 hours ago, but today I had some things going on with my laptop, or actually it started last Thursday, y'all. My laptop just literally died on me. So I had to make an appointment with the Apple store. And so since it's coronavirus right now, appointments were super limited. Like when I tell you I was about to roll to Tennessee on Friday because my entire life is on my computer. But thank God that I have a external hard drive that I use. And so I pretty much have all of my pictures, videos, photos, everything backed up on my external hard drive. Thank the Lord. I had to take the computer this morning 40 minutes away to a Simply Mac store, and they kept it for about 5 hours. So I just had to like go around, y'all. I went out to eat by myself. I went to get lunch, stopped by Chili's, got me the triple dipper. It was really hot outside, so I'm like, I can't just sit in my car all this time, because again, the place was like 40 minutes from my house. So I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I really love coffee. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm like obsessed with coffee. So I just ended up finding a coffee shop like 15 minutes from the restaurant. So after I ate, I just went and got me some coffee, stayed there for a little bit, and then went back to pick up the computer. And the technician tried a couple of things, nothing worked. So basically he was like, I wouldn't even pay to get this computer fixed because I got it in 2015. So he was like, at this point, you should just buy a new one, or you can pay this $600 to have the computer fixed. So long story short, I just went ahead and got a new computer. I started my course for aspiring influencers, so I had to end up pushing that back due to the tech issues. So this week has been crazy. And so yesterday took my car to get oil change and stayed there for a while because I ended up getting new brakes as well. It's just been a lot for me, y'all, going on this week. And I'm going to be sitting down for the rest of this month because I am not trying to be spending any more money like that during this month. I ended up washing my hair before adding the deep conditioner with the Olaplex again. And I've still been sticking to using that. So I actually like it. Next time I probably will buy a larger bottle of the Olaplex because I bought the small bottle. So y'all, why is somebody out my window playing WAP? I don't know about y'all, but that WAP song is just not it for me.
I think that song might have been about sexual intercourse. Do you? Back to you, James.
So I am also planning on recording myself having the hair installed. I'm just gonna record a little bit of the process and then basically show y'all the finished look. I had braids that I did before, y'all, some DIY braids that I will never do again. I did those about 2 years ago and that was a fail. So I see some people do their own faux locks, and after attempting those braids, yeah, no. I'm just am happy to pay someone to install these faux locks for me. So I am at least gonna try to keep these faux locks in for 2 weeks. Y'all might be like, 2 weeks, but when I tell y'all my scalp is bad, my scalp is bad. Y'all, I have been to the dermatologist and everything for my scalp, and they gave me some shampoo that I think is made more for like white people's hair. It said in the instructions like use it every day, and so this was a long time ago anyway when I went to the dermatologist. So I really haven't been since then. Since going, I've just been sticking with this apple cider, and so as long as I use this at least once a week or once every 2 weeks, my scalp is good. So I'm going to let this sit, y'all, on my hair for at least 45 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. And just wanted to point out, y'all, that this bottle is really good to use because you can just like concentrate where you want the apple cider vinegar to go on your scalp.
They say this is a big rich town. I just come from the poet's part. Bright like city life, I gotta make it, this is where it goes down. I just happen to come up hard.
Y'all, so I am done blow drying my hair. This is as straight as I can get it. So I am praying that this is straight enough, because when I tell y'all my arms are tired, like they tired.
Motherfucker tired.
What?
Motherfucker tired.
You what?
Motherfucker tired.
What?
I'm motherfucker tired.
They hurt. So this is my hair. I have not had my hair blown out in so long. This is almost making me want to get it straightened. But I'm probably definitely gonna wait till maybe the end of the year, closer towards the end of the year, or beginning of 2021 for straightening. I don't know, we'll see. This is what it's looking like. And so yeah, I did the best that I can. So if y'all want to see the finished look, stay tuned for that. Or actually, I'm getting it styled tomorrow, so I'm going to be recording that as well. So just stay tuned and yeah, watch that video as well. Thanks y'all so much for watching. If y'all have any questions about anything, leave those below.